our short phrase and sentence for you today is Kani pụọ, which means let us go out. Let us go out. And when I say this to you, one of the ways you can respond is by saying Esomgi, which means I am following you. There are other ways we can respond to this. We can also say Odemma, which we have covered in one of our series if you have been following our teaching. Remember, we use colors to differentiate the meaning of each word that make up the sentences or phrases. So take note of that. And as you do, step out there. Tell a friend that comes to visit you, Kani pụọ, let us go out. And expect him to say, Esomgi, I am following you, or I am with you. As you do, please remember, it's important that you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also, like and comment so that we can know how to serve you better and help others to discover this channel too. God bless you.